You're checking your balance before buying a €4 coffee. Why do you feel broke every month? Let's explore the real reasons behind this. The first reason is lifestyle inflation. When your income rises, so do your expenses, making it hard to get ahead. Someone earning €2,000 who saves €200 is better off than someone earning €5,000 but saving nothing.
Next, we have invisible expenses, the subscriptions and daily habits that quietly drain your account.
Think of the subscriptions you have. Most people underestimate them by about 40%. You must see where your money goes. Another key issue is spending before saving. Most treat savings as an afterthought, leaving nothing at month's end. Flip the script. Pay yourself first when your salary arrives. Automate savings to adapt your lifestyle.
Lastly, understand the psychology of spending. Emotional spending is a trap many fall into.
Ask yourself if you need the item or if it's an emotional response.
This could save you hundreds each month.
Awareness is the first step. Check your bank app and review your transactions for the last 30 days. If you want to dive deeper, the next video covers how to build a budget that works for you.